So we need 2 more. For the gentlemen, okay na, 5 na. Okay? So dalawang babae po po. Okay? Dalawa na lang yung girls. Dalawa na lang yung girls namin. Asa na ba? Okay, dito natin na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. May turn ko po. 9. Hindi na, isa pa. Miss Glenda. Okay. Okay, now feel na tayo sa front ng gagawin natin. Okay, now, so, I think, ladies first, gentlemen, so, I want you to form 2 lines. So, first, team A, parang yung mga kids lang din, mga pila. Okay, lahat na. Ito ng lalaki, pumila mo na lagi. Okay, so nakapila po kayo. Sige, mga boys. Lapit lang
kaya mo yan! Hindi lang! Go!
Okay, basta ma-avoid lang ating board. Can you move forward? Hindi na tayo mag-start with the line. Okay. Okay. So, this is basketball game. Para malaman nyo po, per member po each team, we have the corresponding numbers. So, bigyan ko muna kayo ng numbers. So, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tignan niyo po yung mga numbers nyo, Madam Sir. Kasi po, as I call the number, anyway, this number will represent as the ball. Ito yung bola po natin. And this chair will represent as the ring. Okay, yung ring. Pag sinabi kong number 1, pwede mo the boys sir para makita nyo. Okay, pag sinabi kong dribble ribbon, we're going to dribble it up. Okay, ribbon na ribbon. Exhibition, video. And you have to crush the cup. Okay, pinagduhan. Okay? So, ipakrush yung cup. Ganun po. Okay? So, number 5, ganun po pag sinabi kong shoot the ball. So, iba-iba yung number na mention ko na mag-shoot nung cup. Okay? So, ready na ba?
Uy, picture nyo ha!
Ito, di ba number exhibition number. So, unahan po. So, unahan nga. So, unahan. Okay. Exhibition number 1. Habang tumatalo. Dribble, habang tumatalo. Dribble, habang tumatalo. Dribble, habang tumatalo. Dribble, habang tumatalo. Pass number 3. Di ba number exhibition number. Habang nag-8, dribble, habang nag-8. Dribble, habang nag-8. Nakapikit. Dribble, habang nag-8. Habang nag-chacha, habang nag-chacha. Di ba number exhibition number. Pass number 5. Di ba number exhibition number. Pass number 1. Pass number 3. Pass number 2. Pass number 4. Number 4. Shoot the ball. Ball! Okay! 1 point. Okay. So, there you go. So, first 3 points. Don't worry. First 3 points yung ladies. Makakabot kayo. FD. Okay, so ready. Number 1. Di ba number 1 exhibition number pass number 4. Di ba number exhibition number habang umiikot. Di ba habang umiikot. Pass number 3. Di ba number exhibition pass number 2. Di ba number exhibition number habang tumatalo. Number 2. Di ba habang tumatalo. Pass number 2. Di ba number 2 exhibition number pass number 5. Di ba number exhibition number habang nag-8. Di ba habang nag-8. Pass number 1. Di ba number exhibition number pass number 3. Pass number 2. Pass number 1. Pass number 3. Pass number 5. Number 5. Shoot the ball! So, all-one pa. Okay, so all-one tayo. Eddie! Exhibition number 1, pass number 3. Di ba naman exhibition number, pass number 2. Pass number 3, pass number 4, pass number 3. Di ba naman exhibition number, exhibition number 3. Exhibition number 3. Pass number 1, pass number 2, pass number 5. Di ba naman exhibition number. Abot ang matalo, di ba ang tumatalo. Pass number 3, pass number 2, pass number 1. Number 1, shoot the ball! Number 1! Okay, so, sorry boys. 4 points na, mga ladies. Okay, so 2-0. At 1. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Walang kids dito sa area.